Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Fauzan bin Ibrahim. My meeting number is 2419189. So today I would like to present and I would like to talk about the way Prophet Muhammad SAW talks to the other people, for example to his companion and also his wife. So before I start, as we all know, Prophet Muhammad SAW is a perfect role model for a Muslim. As a Muslim, we have to follow his behavior, his presentation, and importantly, we have to follow the way he talk to the other people. So there is some characteristics that show the ways he talk to the other people. For example, first, in Hadith Sahih Muslim, it said that Prophet Muhammad SAW would never use a foul language which neither obscene and vulgar language, which is a rough language or any kind of harsh language. This is show that Prophet Muhammad SAW talk with very gentleness. Other than that, Prophet Muhammad SAW also talk very clearly, very bravely, and also wisdomly. He choose the word to use very wisdomly. He never use a harsh word, and also come with a very soft word that people will understand and take it very easily. Other hadith also said in Sahih Bukhari, which is Anas ibn Malik said that when the Prophet, peace and blessing be upon him, would speak, he repeated himself 3 times until he was understood. This show that Rasulullah will never left other people behind. So when he talks, he will repeat it 3 times and very clearly, one word by one word, so that all people will accept and will hear the word very clearly and not misunderstanding what Rasulullah said. So for a Muslim, we have to talk to the other people very clearly, not in angry, not emotionally, and we have choose our word wisdomly. Also, maybe we think that Rasulullah usually talk formally, but there is hadith said that Rasulullah also talk to other people leisurely. So as a Muslim, we have to understand that not every context we have to talk in a formal way. Sometimes we have also can talk in a leisure way for the people can accept it very easily. So that's all for me. Thank you.